Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Canva and turning on AI tools in settings. This gives immediate access to magic write, text-to-image, and design suggestions. Once done, connect your brand kit and upload key assets so the AI uses consistent logos, fonts, and colors. Make sure to choose a canvas size and start a simple layout. Then select a text box and activate Magic Write to generate copy. This gets you from zero to a working AI-integrated design in minutes with brand continuity. Now focus on execution. Craft clear prompts that state tone, length, and your call to action. Ask for 3 variations and pick the best. Once you have copy, use text-to-image for hero visuals, selecting styles, and then refining with upscaling or background removal. Next, place elements on the grid, adjust spacing, and ensure readable contrast for accessibility. As you refine, make small prompt edits and regenerate only the sections that need improvement rather than restarting the whole design. Finish by previewing across layouts and exporting the right file type and resolution for your channel. Once done, confirm licensing of generated assets and swap any generic AI imagery with brand photos if necessary. If the AI output misses your tone or context, reprompt using concrete examples, desired words, and constraints to force specificity. For stubborn problems, clear cache, reauthorize the Canva AI app, and test on a duplicate file. This resolves most sync or token issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.